am I going to get? Tissue, of course. Next, I'm going to get an ant. It's my target ant. Look, that ant. Yeah. And here it is now. Inside my, crumpled paper.
Ano ba yun?
Ayan na. Ang ant. Ayan na.
What? Here.
Here is the ant. I'm going to, what do you call this? I'm going to,
Sir, ano?
I'm going to decrease its energy to maybe. Oh, here's the ant. Look. It is almost paralyzed. Does it look like an ant for me now? Yes, look. Kawawa naman. Kawawa. Panoorin natin kung kailan siya mamamatay.
What?
Let's see when would this ant die and how. Oh my God. Tagal niya mamatay.
Ano yung mata niya, Beso? Tignan mo.
Ano yung mata?
Hindi kasi makita eh. Ayun, tignan mo.
Ayan na. This is what I'm waiting for. When it's, it's,
Ala.
I want its feet to be stuck on the teeth.
Kaya nga, di ba yung isa?
Ayan na.
Ano yun, naiinis na eh.
Yan. Ano ba?
Di ba yung...
Ayan na. La luce. Ano ba?
Ito daw.
Ito dai. Ang likot naman.
Beso, pagod na.